That's the least complicated part. Come on, guy. Let's go in there. All right, boom. Clicks into place. Nothing too complicated, right? Okay. Let's take the plastic cap off. Should I spray it down? No, because it's not in the engine compartment where it's going to corrode and be problematic. So I think we're okay here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the positive cable here and I'm going to go down on the battery and move my cable out of the way. Next, change the direction of the way we were using our ratchet. So this goes click, so we could put it back on in place and secure the first terminal of the battery. Just trying to not make any sparks, folks. And it's pretty firm. Seems pretty good. It's on there. All right, put that cap down. No problem. All right. Pull this cap off. Put the negative terminal back on. Don't have to do anything with our ratchet. If we touch metal on the negative, we'll be okay because the car is aground naturally. And we want to make sure that the terminal is nice and snug on the clamp, so that way it's nice and snug. Seems that way. Give it a little tug. Yep, the whole car moved. So that seems good to me. Now we just take this bracket, put it back in reverse. Oops, make sure you're going the right way. Got to make sure that we get our holes lined up. I'm going to do the one on the inside first. So we take our little washer nut combo and we put it on the inside here, and we will secure it with our ratchet. That's why we left the extension off. This one takes a bit. To secure because it doesn't like going in there. Hopefully you can all see that as I'm doing this. Why isn't it going on there? That's being a little stubborn. This is why, this is the part that takes the longest, is getting this nut on. Everything else was pretty straightforward. And we're going to take our last little nut here and secure our bottom piece, so that way we know it's in the right spot, and we can work on the rest of the stuff, securing the upper nut as we go along. It's almost there, guys. Yep. Just trying to make sure that we get our wire in the correct spot, so just in case nothing bad happens. And that's nice and snug down there. Yep, nice and snug. So that's not going to go anywhere. Let's try to get that to do the same thing up top here. I do want to watch this LSU FSU football game tonight. Love college football. Don't particularly root for one team. I like college football in general. It's always more exciting because you get to see all these kids play and show what kind of talent some people who might never make it to the NFL have. But that's a different topic for a different day. But yeah. This is why we put the cap on the red end, because this would be considered a negative, and if we go touch, we get an arc spark, and we don't want to be doing that. And we're almost there, guys and gals. Feel it getting tighter, guys, so don't worry. Is this thing on there? Yup, we're rocking the car. So that's pretty much how it goes, guys. About 20 or 25 minutes. It's not that hard. A ratchet, 10mm socket, a battery. Pretty straightforward. Don't pay somebody to do something you can do for a whole lot less. And just to show you that it works, we're going to start up the car to make sure we've done this correctly. And I made sure that I put the terminals on correctly, because if you don't, lots of bad stuff is going to happen. So let's start the car and see that everything's good. So taking the camera out of the trunk now, walking it up towards the front. Well, we have power, so that's a good sign. Yep. All the lights came on. Car's ready to go. Yep, there it is. Started just like that, and we're good. So how about that, guys? Nothing outrageously difficult, and you could do that all at home.